What's going on, y'all? Welcome to the channel. I'm Mitchell with Mitchell's Lawn Care if you're new, and we're located here in Colfax, North Carolina. Today I'm on my property. Behind us is the new house that's being constructed. It's still not done, but it's not supposed to be yet. Anyways, I diverge. Reason why I'm here is I'm gonna mow the front yard here. It's supposed to rain over the next few days, but I want to get this all mowed up, and I'm going to do it with the eyes in the sky. So stick around. So for those that are just joining in that may know nothing about this is a new property. Hannah and I purchased this last year. Home's going up. There is the shop. But anyways, I need to get this all mowed. It's a little bit overgrown, not YouTube overgrown, if you know what I mean. And guess what? I'm doing this one for free. Jokes aside, I've got to go down to the shop, which again, I know it's blurry, but there it is right back there. I got to grab the ZXT to do this. All right. So there's some spots that are about a foot and a half high. Haven't been over here in a while. I got to do a lot of trimming along that fence over there, and then mow back around behind the house. But I'm going to put the drone up and let y'all watch it from a few hundred feet up.